In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize appna2.hubspot.com efficiently to enhance your data management capabilities. We'll be going through the steps to create a smart property, which is an incredible feature for enriching your data management experience. So let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the HubSpot user guide by visiting the link provided in the description below. Go to your browser's address bar, type in the URL, and press enter. Upon landing on HubSpot's user guide, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's user-friendly and designed to guide you through your tasks with ease. Next, we need to navigate to the data management section. You'll find this option in the navigation menu on the interface. Click on Data Management, and you might notice that this area is particularly rich with options, aimed at optimizing how you handle large sets of data. This section is essentially your go-to place for organizing data effectively. Moving on, your next click will be on Data Enrichment. This option should be clearly visible as part of the features available. Data enrichment is like giving your datasets a facelift, adding meaningful and useful context to ensure they provide the insights you need. This process can be incredibly valuable for data-driven decisions and improving customer interactions. Once you're on the data enrichment page, find the area labeled Smart Properties and click on it. Smart Properties, as the name suggests, are dynamic field options that adjust based on predefined rules, allowing you to create more personalized and responsive datasets. Think of it as a way to add intelligence to your data structure. Now that you're in the Smart Properties section, you're ready to create a new smart property. Look for the option that says Create a Smart Property and go ahead and select it. This action will initiate the process of defining a new property that suits your specific data management needs. Set the parameters carefully. These can be based on specific rules you want to implement for customized user experiences or internal analytics. As you're setting up, keep in mind the goals and outcomes you want for your data enrichment process. This ensures that your smart properties are not only functional but also aligned with your overall business strategy. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Following these steps should help you leverage HubSpot for a robust and enriched data management framework. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident navigating and utilizing smart properties within HubSpot. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.